Good morning, we're in the garlic patch here. This is the garlic that I planted last year. It survived 3 feet of snow that was on the ground for 5 months, and it survived 20 below zero. Of course, that's when the snow was there, so it was well insulated. And it's growing very well. And we had the sprinklers on this one time this spring so far, and we probably didn't even need to. The reason I turned on the sprinklers is because we had planted some other things over on that side of the garden, and I wanted to get the seeds wet. So this is doing good. I've turned this over to my students this year, and this is part of their gardening project to take care of this garden. The last 3 weeks of their class, they will be eating from their gardens, and since they didn't have time to plant garlic because they're only here for 4 months, I planted it for them, and so they will have garlic for their food menu and so that they can trade for other things if they want to have other things on their menu besides what comes out of their garden. So if they want milk, meat, and eggs from the ranch, then they can trade produce for what they're having here. But I just wanted to give everybody an update so that you can see how it's growing and thriving and doing very well. There's other things, the carrots that you can see here. I had 2 full rows of carrots, most of them winter killed, but there's a few here that are gonna sprout and grow, and we're gonna go ahead and let those go to seed. We will save those seeds, and those will be good genetics that actually survived the winter here in this climate, which is pretty fantastic. So that's a little update on the garden. Have a fantastic day. Thank you for being a Patreon member, and hopefully this helps you to grow garlic at 20 below.